I'm making a shrimp, crab, and steak pasta. It's going to be so good. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and get our steak cooked. Make sure you got a nice sear on there. It is cooked in butter, so it's going to be really flavorful. And my seasonings, that will be in the descriptions below, so you can look there for the seasonings, or you can add your own seasoning. This is cooked medium rare, so you can cook it however you would like your steak cooked. And then next we're going to go ahead and move on to our pasta. So I added some salt and some olive oil, brought it to a boil, and I added my linguine noodles in there. And after that, we're going to go ahead and get started with our crab. I do have butter in the pan. And so once you get that added in there, you want to go ahead and get some minced garlic added to that pan. And it's going to give it a burst of flavor. And once you get that in, you're going to add some parsley to it. Then we're going to go ahead and add some garlic powder, some paprika for coloring, and some squeezed lemon juice. And then we're going to go ahead and get that mixed up really good and added some butter and then some fresh squeezed lemon juice. And I add a little salt. We're going to just add a little more parsley to that and just let that simmer a little bit. You don't want to overcook it at all. This is seafood, and you see my shrimp there. So once I get the shrimp taken out, you're going to go ahead and add some mushrooms along with some onions. Those onions are julienne sliced. And we're going to add some olive oil to that pan as well. Once you get that going, you're going to let that sweat down a little and mix that up. And once you get that mixed up really, really good, we're going to add some tomatoes to that. These are Roma tomatoes. I did slice those down the middle so that they won't be full tomatoes. And we're going to add some heavy cream to that pan. Some more minced garlic. I love garlic. Some salt. And we're going to add some black pepper to the pan. And then next, we're going to go ahead and add a little nutmeg and a little hot sauce to the pan. And some Cajun seasoning. I love Cajun. And then some Italian seasoning to it and some more Cajun seasoning. Why not? And then we're going to add some chicken bouillon powder to that, and we're going to mix that up really good. And we're going to let that come to a little simmer. And then we're going to add the cheeses. The cheeses will be in the descriptions below as well. So once you get that mixed up in there really good, if you want to add more for more thickening, you can add a little more cheese. And then I'm going to add some more Cajun seasoning. I do like a little spice. And we're going to add some paprika for some color for this cheese sauce. Add some salt for a little more flavor. Let's mix that up really good and let that come to another little simmer. Look at there, and then we're going to add that spinach. It has been cooked and it has been drained, so we got some of that water out of it. And we're going to mix that up really good as well, and just add a little more parsley to it and a little more spinach. And look at what we got. That looks so good. So if you like what you see, make sure that you like, subscribe, share, tell all of your friends, and until next time, bye.